Now select all the footage and drag it up one track. We're going to put the background scene underneath so we have a location for our actors. Let's go to our Space Station Showdown folder, and we have the Space Station PNG, and we have the Space Station Red PNG. Let's take both of those and drag them into the timeline. So we want the red one behind the blue guy. I'm going to zoom in closer to our filmed footage. The red one goes behind the blue guy. The blue one goes behind the red guy. The red guy's here, so we want to do an option drag. Pull this over here. So we have the blue behind the red guy. Let's come over here. We got the blue guy here, so we want this one right here. Let's drag this over and then make that as long as the scene is. This is the red guy, so we want the blue one. Do an option drag, put it behind that guy. We have the blue guy, so let's do an option drag. Let's drag that to be as long as the scene. This is the red guy, so let's do an option drag. Let's bring that close. There we go. This is the blue guy, so we want to use this one right here, the red one. Option drag, and then let's make that smaller to go with the scene. This is the red guy, so let's do an option drag. Let's drag that like this. It's the blue guy, so option drag, close that up. The blue guy again, we use that same background, but we're going to make it a different size. We're not done after we put these in. We have to resize these. This lesson will continue in the next video.